Alright guys, jumping into the 2021 Crosstrek Sport that's lifted 2.5 inches with off-road tires. This thing's dope, it's got a roof rack, looks awesome. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you get notified when my new videos go out. Let's hit it. Okay, we are in a 2021 Crosstrek Sport with a 2.5 inch lift and some off-road tires. Let's hit it. Coming into this turn. Oh yeah. Definitely hear the tires. Acceleration still feels good. 60. In the turns, it's still, you know, fairly planted. Though I can feel the wider, you know, track width because these wheels are a little wider than stock. However, it feels a little squirrely, not really like street performance, more off-road performance. So far on-road feel is pretty good. I'd say it's just slightly more bumpy than stock because this is just a rough country kit. I believe that just, you know, is a spacer kit. So all the factory geometry more or less is retained. You don't gain any travel in the suspension, so it's not going to make the ride super plush. However, with the wheel and tire combo, it does feel a little softer on road. You can feel the extended track width, which to me always makes the steering feel just a little bit more big and numb. And that's just me, you know, you're pushing the wheels away. I prefer a more exact kind of like steering feel. However, this is what you need to like kind of expect if you are going to be lifting one of these vehicles. Come through some bumps here. Yeah. Still really smooth on road. A lot of people always want to know, you know, how does it feel off-road? Let's find out. Get on it. Oh yeah. Coming up, some bumps, railroad tracks. Not bad. Gonna put X mode on, snow and dirt. So I mean, for crawling around is more where I think this vehicle's designed for. It's not really designed to run, you know, the Baja 1000 or drive like a Raptor off-road. It is smooth, it is full, you know, independent suspension front and rear. So if you're going to be lifting it, it's really just more to kind of make it a little more trail ready. And also you can get some of the aesthetics from it. Still fairly planted in turns. Get on the gas. This 2.5 definitely moves this car a lot more than the 2.0 did, especially on a lifted setup like this. So as far as having the lift, lane centering and cruise control will still operate as expected. Get on it. So you can hear those all-terrain tires spinning beneath us right now. And you know this vehicle isn't equipped with the best sound insulation as it is, so something else to take into consideration if you're going to lift a 2021 Crosstrek. Kind of a little bit of a boaty feel here. Interesting. So not bad. I think I took that whole roundabout more or less around 30, and it felt decently planted. Railroad tracks, no issue. This thing is definitely smooth, more ground clearance. You can hit big bumps with a little more confidence. Definitely sounds for sure like you're driving a lifted vehicle. Feels like it might have a little more nosedive when you're braking there. Let's take this turn. So let's see how it behaves with the eyesight system. Waiting for it to engage. Might not be able to read this road because it's so old. Yep, it's not picking it up. The things you don't usually see in reviews. There it goes, just turned green. So it's driving itself now. Alignment and everything still feels pretty much the same. So you shouldn't have any issues with the eyesight system if you're going to be lifting the vehicle. So you can put that to bed if that's been something you were worried about. Overall first impressions of driving a lifted 2021 Crosstrek are, it's pretty cool, it's comfy. The road noise is the one huge drawback with an off-road tire, especially if you go with like a mud terrain. I'm not sure if it's picking it up on the camera, but guys, it is pretty loud, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's awesome. Nice elevated, you know, feel. Feels like you definitely feel like you're sitting a little bit higher. Track width is increased. You can feel the track width again, like I said, makes the steering vaguely numb. Other than that, it's pretty cool. If you're thinking of doing this to your 2021 Crosstrek, I would definitely do it up. Thanks so much for joining today, everybody. I hope you appreciate this quick, brief content on a lifted 2021 Crosstrek Sport. Definitely is a cool package. With the motor, I think it definitely helps move the tires a lot more. And, you know, the road noise is kind of a bummer. The ground clearance is awesome. If you're gonna be off-roading, that's great. More ground clearance, more trail ready, more capable. So if you guys wanna do this to a 2021, jump in on it, get yourself, you know, an LP Adventure kit or a rough country or whatever they have as far as leveling kits out there. I think this one is a cool combination with the wheel setup, tire setup. I'll drop some descriptions down below on everything. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel again, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.